Good morning, guys. Oh my gosh, it's been a while. I don't have internet, and I won't get internet until next Tuesday. So the vlogs have kind of like slowed down, but we are home. We've been moved now for a week, and I'm trying to get everything organized, and I'm trying to get these kids situated because they are out of school, and it's a new place, it's a new environment, you know, everything is new. I'm just trying to, oh, let me show you guys. I changed out my faucet. We got the basic builder grade faucet, and that was the first thing to go because I couldn't live with it. It was just, and I got the soap thingy right here, and yeah, so I want to do a lot of things with the channel, but I don't know yet. I'm still trying to. I still have my table. I was gonna get rid of it, but when you move into a new house, you think that you have these grand ideas and what you want to do, and this house is like a gas tank. It just sucks and sucks and sucks and sucks and sucks. But our couches are coming today, and the guy should be here any minute now for our couches. I hung a picture up. I hung curtains. My husband hung blinds. We did a few stuff that I didn't record because I have the camera, but we don't have internet. So next Tuesday, I believe is the 20-something. Go upstairs, Juju. But I just wanted to give you guys something to let you know that I'm not gone. I'm still here. It's just when you move to a new place, the transition is always rough. So yeah, my letterboard is up. That's his new home right there, and let me show you guys where you guys are. Right there, it says good morning sunshine. Yeah, you guys are right there, and Miss Madison is right. Say good morning. I need to get her a high chair and get her situated, but I just wanted to hop on here real fast because I'm about to use my data to upload this and let you guys know that I'm still here. We're still here. Here go princess.
Oh, hi.
And yeah, so thank you guys for sticking with me, for hanging with me. I did not abandon you guys. I promise you, I did not get, you know, I did not get, what is it? I don't even know what I'm trying to say, but I hope I wasn't, okay. Anyways, I gotta go, but I'm sad because I really want to do, like, really amazing videos and contents for you guys, but I don't have any internet. But yeah, bye guys.